let's talk about the Boxycharm Spring 2019 box. This is the Boxy Luxe. They changed it up. It used to be a little bit longer, so now it's like a nice square. This is $50. You take a little quiz on their site and it tells you some of the color preferences that you might have or some of the items that you'd like to receive, and then every so often they'll send you a little customization link. I think that's new, so you can pick a couple of the items that you'd like. Like this time around we got to pick between the Tarte blush palette and the Tarte eyeshadow, so you guys will see what I picked. I'm going to fast forward through the rest of this just so I can apply the rest of my face. Since it's kind of naked, I'm going to apply my face, use some of the products that are in the box, and then we'll walk through every single one of the items in the box. Let's get into it! I'm going to show you guys a really weird trick. So this is the MAC Painterly Paint Pots. This is in, what is it, the Painterly color. There's some other shades that they have, but this one is a little bit more in the neutral / pink tone. This works for me. Mine had began to dry up and kind of crack, so I just scooped some of the corners and dumped them into the middle, and it works just fine. So what I like to do is take a little bit on my finger, and I have pretty large pores on my nose and right on the corners, so I just dot some on and blend it in with my finger into my pores, and then my pores magically disappear. So this is the finished look. What's some of the amazing things that came in this month's box. So let's recap and let's review some of the items that I was not able to use today. So in this quarter's Boxy Luxe box, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. The first one was the No Problem. It is a liquid primer. I used it before I did my makeup. It's a really nice pore filling primer. It doesn't do anything crazy or insane, like doesn't get rid of everything. I still had pores, but it does offer a really nice smoothing base to kind of apply everything else onto. Not to mention the packaging is really nice and easy to use. It's just nice and mess free. Then of course we got the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. This, like I said, this one is in Strawberry Lemonade. Then we got I chose the Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is the BU Naturally palette. Here are some of the colors. It is a really beautiful palette. I really like this, and I really like the eyeshadow look that came out of it. It was really quick and easy. The dark brown, when you swatch it, it comes off as nice and dark, but when you apply it, it kind of shears out quite a bit. Here, let me give you guys some other swatches. It's good for everyday use, I think. I like it. I don't mind having another eyeshadow palette since that's kind of like my thing. When it comes to the mascara, I love this mascara. It is so easy to apply. The wand size is perfect for my specific eye shape. I like that there is a curler, and what they have done as far as packaging goes, so kudos to this Chic brand, is I was thinking I would have to pull this off in order to open the wand, but you don't have to. When you click it closed, they had left a little tiny lip right here, the little black lining. So when you do close it, it closes. And then if you want to open just the mascara, you just twist open the mascara and the top doesn't come off. Yay to engineering. I love it. Then we had the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist Radiant Dew. It is 120 ml or 4.06 fluid ounces. Like I said, this one does smell like eucalyptus. It's really nice. Does not smell like truffle, thank God. I also got the Honeymoon Glow by Pharmacy. It is an AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This one was really expensive, I think. I've wanted to try this brand, but I've got so much skincare going on right now where I feel like if I add another something, it's going to be a little bit overwhelming, but I'm glad to have this. I can definitely give it a try. Otherwise, so this is what the container looks like. I really like it. It's really nice and chic. It's a little bit medical-y looking, but it's still nice and chic. So you just pop off the top. It has a nice pump, which I really do appreciate. I'm not going to pump any of the product out because it looks like yellow cream, so, like all other skincare. Then we had the Dr. Brandt. I am getting a little tiny itty bitty sick of getting Dr. Brandt and Dr. Jart stuff in Boxycharm and Tarte stuff. It seems like in almost every box or every other box, there's a Dr. Brandt something. I have a really extensive collection since I've been with them since I think 2015, 2016. So if they could just slow it down on the Dr. Brandt stuff just a smidget, I'd very much so appreciate it. But nonetheless, this is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. I don't know why we need chlorophyll, but that's the thing that makes plant leaves green. But here it is. Nice and sealed, I appreciate that. And it does come with a little squeezy. Oh my God. Comes with a nice little squeezy. For all skin types, it seems like it's just a really nice basic cleanser. So I definitely Don't need more of these, but I appreciate having the 700 I do have from Boxycharm. This one I was very excited about. Living Proof is pretty expensive, so I'm always kind of like, is it really worth it? So I want to try their dry shampoo, and I think we got that in a box at some point at some time. So this one is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, and it is full size. So pretty much, I have really long, heavy, flat hair. This is awesome for people with my type of hair where it's kind of like very heavy, fine hair, and it's flat. So this, you just shake it up, you spray it in between your hair, you zhuzh it up a little bit, and then you have nice volume. And I do have the small size of this one. I haven't tried it, but if it's good, I'd love to carry this around in my bag. And lastly, the item that I got that I was kind of like, whoa, damn, Boxycharm, you did it, didn't you? Was the PYT blow dryer. So they have various color options of this, and you didn't get to pick, so they just kind of sent you whatever color I guess they chose for you. So it comes with like 2 different nozzle heads. That is the other one. This one, by the way, if you have curly hair, this one is super awesome. You just kind of pop it onto the front of the blow dryer and you zhuzh it up into your hair as you're doing it, and it makes really nice curls instead of frizzing it up. So this is the color of mine. It's this beautiful pinky corally orange shade. It is tiny. It fits in my palm. It's pretty much the size of my palm. It is really cute and little, and I would love to travel with this. I usually take my Dry Bar blow dryer, the big one, and it's always such an issue because it's this huge thing you're trying to lug around all over the place. But this one, I'm super excited about. To give you guys a quick recap, I paid, I think $49.95 or something like that, because I do pay as I go. So this box will cost $50 in total value, and that's what I paid, and Boxycharm gave me $343 worth of stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this very long unboxing and get ready with me, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.